Unlock the vibrant, playful universe of Nano Banana using the groundbreaking power of Higgsfield AI. Today, we're diving deep into how Higgsfield AI can help you craft captivating content centered around the unique theme of Nano Banana, giving you creative ideas and the technical know-how to bring your vision to life. First, let's get to the core of our Nano Banana concept. Think small, think energetic, think delightfully quirky. Your initial prompt in Higgsfield AI is crucial. Start with something descriptive like a hyper-realistic Nano Banana with iridescent peel. Now, let's refine that to truly capture the essence of Nano Banana. We need to add layers. Consider adjectives that evoke energy and scale. Adding phrases like emitting a soft, glowing aura or set against a shimmering cosmic background will guide the AI towards the desired aesthetic. Higgsfield AI offers a suite of tools to fine-tune your output. Explore the style parameters to dial in that perfect, playful yet sophisticated Nano Banana look. Experiment with detail levels. A higher detail setting can bring out those incredibly fine textures essential for our Nano Banana. From fantastical scenarios to abstract representations, Higgsfield AI empowers you to generate a spectrum of Nano Banana visuals. Imagine a Nano Banana with a tiny astronaut helmet, or a family of Nano Bananas in a miniature bioluminescent jungle. The possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. Once you've achieved your perfect Nano Banana masterpiece, exporting is simple. Make sure to save your high-resolution creations to share your unique vision with the world. With Higgsfield AI, your journey into the captivating world of Nano Banana content creation is just beginning. Experiment, explore, and let the AI amplify your creative flair.